Rihanna once found herself crashing a fancy gala, only to discover her makeup artist had given her an entirely wrong foundation shade, turning her face a shocking pink. Meanwhile, LeBron James, known for his flying dunks, once flubbed a simple on-stage jump at a live event, landing awkwardly and sparking an uproar of laughter from the audience. Did you know that Brad Pitt practiced being a mime to prepare for a role? He spent weeks mastering the art, only to have the role mysteriously canceled. And what about Cristiano Ronaldo? He once did a surprise underwater photo shoot using sea creatures as props, which left everyone guessing where he found the inspiration. Join us to uncover these charmingly bizarre moments that make stars like them truly relatable.